Years ago, She Who Must Be Obeyed decided that we needed another outside faucet. We already had one that was put in decades ago. It was a conventional type that had the crush washer, and it was multi-turn on the handle. So I decided I was going to put in one of the new whiz-bang quarter-turn units. So I bought this B&K frostless Sillcock that you see here. And the next image, that's when we installed it. And we used it for 3 years. It did work. It didn't freeze, but it required taking it apart every single spring. And I'll show you why. This image right here at the bottom of that cartridge, you see it's got 2 O-rings. Every spring, after it's setting all winter, and again, it did not freeze, the O-ring, when you first tried to open it for the first time in the spring, early summer, whenever you needed water, the O-ring, the bottom one, would slide off and get trapped in the hole in the bottom. I don't know how it did it, but it did it every single time, and it would cut the water flow down to practically nothing. So you would take the handle off outside, the red handle, undo the nut, pull the whole thing out, put the rubber back on, put it back in, and then it would work for the rest of the summer and into the fall. But next spring, same thing would happen. So after 3 years of that, I got fed up with it, that this new whiz-bang quarter-turn stuff just isn't working. So I'm going to go back to the old-style crush washer. Now, we ended up with this model you see here. It is a Woodford. This one, it's the old-style crush washer that you had in the old faucets. And we installed that. There's a picture of it right there. It's been in service for a few years. And in this image right here, if you see item number 8, that is the crush washer. The crush washer is the base, and the crush washer gets pushed against the movable valve, and that seals your water just the way faucets did for 100 years. And it just works. If it does act up, all you have to do is buy a O-style seated washer. It's conical, and that's all you need. You can buy them at any hardware store. You get a bag of those washers, and in it you'll find the 0. It's either an O or a 0. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's been in service about 5-8 years now. It doesn't leak. It opens first time in the spring with no problem. We get full water pressure, and it doesn't freeze in the winter. The only thing is, that style Sillcock costs 2 to 3 times as much as the new quarter turns. Generally, the quarter turns are about $35, while the Woodford is double to triple that, depending on where you get it. But if you don't have to take the thing apart every single spring to get it to work, it's worth it. So that was our experience with the B&K and the Woodford. You may have good luck with the B&Ks. We never did. So we went with the Woodford. Now, some people might say, well, it's because your B&K froze. No, it never froze because we bought the same length Sillcock in the same location with the same PEX hose connected to it. If the B&K was freezing, then the Woodford should have froze and split the copper on the shank, but it didn't. So there's something about the B&Ks that they did not work for us. They may work for you, but for us, we're sticking with the old school Woodford.